Welcome back to the Sunalta condo renovation. This is the last video now that all of the renovation is complete, as you can see. I haven't been here since they put in any of the cabinets or the countertops, so I'm super stoked. I think it actually turned out way better than I expected. JPF Group did an amazing job, both with picking out what should be where and installing it, and they were very timely. We had some minor hiccups with painting and missing a cabinet door. Just because the supplier ran out, but got all that sorted, got the project finished in timely order, and I couldn't be happier.
My name is Jarrod Johnson with JPF Group. We've been working with Jonathan on this renovation of his condo, and this one was a really unique renovation because it was from one extreme to the other. The condition it was in was just horrific. So we've been able to completely do a 360 degrees flip on this project, as you can see with the finishings. So the really good features, I think, is the waterfall countertop. It being Christmas time, I thought it would be a good thing to get back to Jonathan. I discussed with our suppliers, and with the slab sizes, there was some extra pieces left, so I figured that would be a good piece to this project to kind of finish it off. To come into a project in just complete chaos and disaster, and then just to bring it up to date and with all the finishes, I think was really cool.
So now we're gonna shoot some final clips of the project and shoot photos of it to post it on Rentfaster, and then hopefully we'll get it rented in no time. It does come with a parking stall out back, which is awesome. And it has laundry down the hall, so everything a tenant needs. Plus, as you can see, all new renovations, everything looks great. I hope you enjoyed the progress videos of these renovations, and I'm hoping I can do more in the future. Definitely recommend Quincy Neufeld as a realtor. The JPF guys were absolutely great for doing all the renovations. They've been amazing to work with. Always responding, no issues at all, which was great. I know there's been lots of horror stories from people in the past with contractors, so I couldn't have been happier working with JPF Group. I really hope that you guys found some value in these, and if you have any questions or advice from me or comments, please let me know. I'm more than happy to hear your feedback, and I will see you in the next video series.